In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Claude AI account. If you've decided it's time to move on, or you simply want to close things out for privacy and housekeeping, I'll walk you through the exact path in a clear, simple way and point out what to expect along the way. Start by opening Claude in your web browser and signing into your account. Make sure you're using the account you actually want to remove. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to consider whether you need anything from your chats, files, or settings, because account deletion is permanent and removes your conversational history. Also, if you have an active paid plan, take a moment to review your billing status so there are no surprises after you delete. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's usually your avatar or initial. Click that to open your profile menu. From this small menu, choose Settings. This takes you to a page where all your preferences and account information are organized. Inside Settings, find and open the Account section. This is where the options related to your identity, security, and account status are located. In the Account area, look for the option labeled Delete Account. It might appear as a button or a link, but it will be clearly associated with permanently removing your account. Click Delete Account. At this point, Claude will show you a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully. The prompt is there to make sure you understand that this action is permanent. When you confirm the deletion, follow any on-screen instructions to finalize it. Depending on the platform's current flow, you may be asked to acknowledge that your data and chats will be removed, or to confirm your choice again. Complete that confirmation and the deletion process will begin. After confirming, you'll typically be signed out and your account will be scheduled for deletion. You may receive a confirmation notice on screen and, in many cases, an email confirming that your account has been deleted or is in the process of being removed. Deletion timelines can vary, but access to the account will end right away. That's all there is to it. Open your Claude account, go to your profile, open Settings, head to the Account section, click Delete Account and confirm. If you were only looking for a temporary break, consider signing out instead of deleting. And if you need help understanding what will be removed or how billing is handled, check the Help Center for the latest guidance before you confirm.